What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mo with the SI, man. Welcome back to another motherfucking video. It's another movie. Man, I done made it to Georgia, man. Well, we're going to Atlanta, but I just made it into Georgia. But yeah, I'm trying to do a whole bunch of content this week. I'm trying to put out a whole lot of content in Atlanta this week. POV, car ride talks, and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how it is. God damn, bro. Yeah, spending Christmas vacation up here. For sure, for sure. But guys, when I make it, I'll tap back in, guys. You guys keep your heads up. Get to Atlanta, man. Hell yeah. That shit sound good, boy. That shit sound good, boy. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Bruh, stop playing with me, twin. That shit sound good than a motherfucker, man. What to do, guys? What to do, guys? Man, I forgot to show you guys when I first got in Atlanta yesterday. But yeah, I'm here, bruh. Yeah, we here, twin. Man, I got so fucked up last night, dude. I lost my shit. That ain't even normal. Damn, this shit sounds good. Heard that turbo, didn't y'all? I know y'all heard that shit. I know y'all heard that shit. I know y'all heard that shit. Come on now. I need to get some gas. Hell yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm on that shit. I'm on that. Damn. I'm out here rolling back. Come on. And damn hills is serious down here. Let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to go. That shit sounds so fucking good, mate. That bitch sound good in the motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. Man, stop playing with me. It's time for me to get a it's time for me to get a blow off valve. I'm trying to hear that turbo, man. I need that shit to be louder. God damn, that bitch sound good. Yeah. Yeah. How's everybody doing today, though? I know my videos be like, damn, why don't he edit anything? All he does is talk. Yeah, that's all I like to do is talk. Talking shit fucking gears, mate. I could drop the second, but I ain't dropping the second. Up here, I might. That damn hill can be serious. That hill ain't that damn serious. What the fuck? Let's get it poppin'. I get it poppin'. Hell yeah. Fuck that. Hell yeah, mate. Yeah, buddy. Gotta get me some hot cocoa. Gotta get me some fucking hot cocoa. Hot cocoa. Oh, fucking Acura TL. Oh shit, who cares? I like Acura TLs. That's the one that actually, that was like my third car. I got a Honda Civic first, and then I got a Acura TL afterwards. After that, I got a Nissan 200SX. And then I got a SI after that. And I got a Chevy Tahoe too. I got a Tahoe too. But right now I have 3 vehicles. Yeah, 3 vehicles. I would like to at least get to 5 and then I'm done. Hell yeah, mate. Damn, this shit looks so ghetto. I know this shit about to be good. This shit, we in the ghetto with this shit. I know this shit about to be banging. know this shit about to be banging. They didn't have no fucking hot chocolate. Man, they ain't had no hot chocolate, man. Damn. That shit disappointed me, bro. That shit got me disappointed, bro. Damn. Had no fucking hot chocolate. Shit. I just wanted some hot chocolate. But no, they're out of hot chocolate. Damn. Bitch sounds so good. That's what I really want to hear, that turbo. Yeah, I'm naming this video Turbo Noise. Oh, fuck. I love this shit. I should move up here though, bro. I swear. I might as well move up here. This shit nice. The hood part is the best part of Atlanta. It seemed like it. Shit. No lie. That's all. That's a lot of us. That's all we know. That's all we know. The hood.
We shot cause it's fun. A million poochie.
Whoop they do.
On top of her coochie.
Whoop they do. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of these people out here, they drive stupid as fuck. Like, you could be flying your fucking ass off. Put it this way. You could be flying your ass off and they'll still pull out. Like, what the fuck are you thinking? Like, a lot of these people are just stupid. I'm not lying. Like, it's like they're in a rush. Me, I just love to do this shit, to be honest. I like to cut up in traffic. I love to do that shit. Hell yeah. Let me turn it down. I ain't trying to get copyrighted. We out here cutting up. Slime life. Yeah. Damn right. That little yeah. I'm looking for my little yeah. Alrighty guys, it's your boy Mo with the SI, man. Y'all know what it is. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got more content coming. Yeah.